Hey everyone, it's Jessica Magoch here, CEO of JPM Sales Partners, teaching everything I learned scaling a $100 million sales team in just 3 years. And this week is all about having fun because I know a lot of you are cooped up inside and trying to figure out how to do sales from home and wondering, if your prospects aren't answering, what's going on? What is the future of our business if we stop selling? So I have a very awesome announcement. We're hosting 2 live virtual sales training parties this week. I've posted the links below. So there's one on Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. That is for founders and entrepreneurs who sell, or independent salespeople as well. Any salespeople really. It's called 5 things you can do right now to increase your closing rate without being icky or pushy, okay? And on Friday, we're having one for founders with sales teams, and that is at 12 Eastern, and that is called the 5 critical components to a world-class sales team during a recession. Accelerate your sales even during a recession, because we do have a recession coming up. So the links to 2 of those are below. Come join me. I'm going to be delivering my juiciest sales tips for you because I want everyone to win during this recession. I don't know if you know, but some of the most amazing and successful startups that we know of today, like Uber and Airbnb and Slack, all started during the last recession in 2008. And in fact, I built that last sales team during a recession as well. So this is my wheelhouse. We know how to do this. I know that sales is the thing that is going to help you to win. So come join me on those two live sales training parties. One on Tuesday at 2, all about increasing your closing rate right now without being pushy. And Friday is at 12 noon for founders with sales teams, some ways to motivate your sales team, the different structures that we need to put together to make sure our sales team is performing at optimal levels now and forever, right? But especially now. So what you can do for them to help them grow. Don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. I'll be offering the opportunity to have a chat with me after each of those webinars, but you need to come on to listen to what that's all about. Finally, me and my family had some fun this weekend, and we did a little music video. Now, if I can, although I don't think I'll be able to share my screen anymore here on Facebook Live. Okay, well, maybe not. I also dropped in, oh, you're welcome. I know we tried to email you, actually. Your email keeps getting, it's not bouncing, it's just saying it's like holding in the inbox off, Lisa. So we are trying to reach out to you to make sure we can help you. Finally, okay, so I'm not going to be able to share my screen, but I want you to go to that YouTube link all the way down at the bottom of the post, because me and my family did a music video last weekend. It's called the COVID-19 Blues, and it is a tribute to all the people staying at home, trying to make things work, working from home, parenting from home, homeschooling, the craziness that we're experiencing right now, but also a tribute to all the people out there on the front lines who are doing their work. So stay home. Stay healthy. I will see you Tuesday and or Friday. You're welcome to come to both, and I'm very excited to party with you. Bring a beverage of your choice. Hey, you're not traveling. You can bring whatever you want. Bring a cocktail if you want. I'll see you there. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.